So I've been sampling products, and this is one of the newest products that I've received. I'm going to build it, put it together, let you guys see what it looks like. I've been needing a lamp so that way I can read at nighttime. So let's put this bad boy together. All right, so let me go ahead and wrap this box for you. So it comes in a box like this, pretty freaking big. This here, instructions. Oh, let me not have it on my camera. The instructions come on top. It tells you all of the ways to put it together. For those who are challenged at putting things together naturally, this will be very handy for you. It should be very common sense, but we're all gifted in different ways, so building isn't for everybody. So what we're going to do is, let me flip this another way. These are the instructions. I'll hold it for a couple minutes so that you guys can either pause the video and read it. I have the windows open, so I apologize for the air. But all right, let's do this. So it does come already, it comes like this, okay, but it is threaded through the pieces already, so you don't have to put the wires into the piping. All right, so it comes with all the plastic wrapping. I'm just gonna take all this off here. And these just screw together. They're already assembled and everything for you to just put them together. If they're like this, you can just shove it in there. Also pull it through the bottom as well and feed it through. Alright, and then there is Sorry, my hair's a little crazy today. At the top, all right, so that's that for right now. I'm not gonna flip the camera. There should be a base. Give me 1 second to look in the box. So there is a huge base. It's very weighted, so it's not going to be affected by top heaviness. I would say this is a good 3 to 5, maybe even 7 pounds. Really not sure. It's also got the screw bottom, so that way it is easily assembled. Let's see if I can go ahead and get this on the floor. No. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and screw this really quick. Alright, after that is all assembled, these plastic pieces will come off. I'll cut them off. There's also white pieces that go onto here as well. The light knobs are twisty, not buttons. So let me get the other pieces. So it does come with cones for every single light. What you're gonna do is there's already screwed on pieces to hold the lamp shade or cone. You're just gonna put it on, and the inside you're going to put this piece back in. And ta-da, it's all done. So 2 more times just so you can see it clearly. Here's the other one. We're just gonna take off this piece that's screwed on there. Other lampshade or cone, whatever you'd like to call it. Little piece to hold it in place. Twist it on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you've never heard that term before, turn right for tight, left is to loosen. And then last but not least, we're going to put on the top piece of the lamp. And this also has that piece that holds together the lampshade. The top one is much bigger, just like an average lampshade. Just sits on top. Screwed on, all set. And not only do you get the lamp, but the light bulbs are also included. They come in white boxes like this. I do not know the wattage or if they're energy efficient, but usually light bulbs like this are LED light bulbs. I'll put in the description what type of actually these are 120 volts, 60 hertz, and a max of 9 watts. So there's your answer. Just gonna screw these into place. They're gonna fit right inside of that piece that's holding the lampshade. Quick and easy. It's very lightweight too. The heaviest thing about this lamp is the base of it. I like the color because it goes with pretty much any theme that you have your room. It's very clean and classy. All right, she's all set. Now I can read books before I go to sleep. My light won't be too bright. I can turn it off when I'm ready. And then I could also, in my room, I put, oh, I can't think of what they're called right now, but they're to help my plants grow. And so now I can put those on at nighttime along with these, and I won't have to keep switching out the bulbs, which is one of the things that I had to do before. It is daytime, but I'm going to try and see if we can see how good and bright these lights are. So give me one moment to plug her in. So it is very bright, which is nice. I like the fact that you can swivel it however you want it. All 3 light bulbs. Oh, there we go. A little sensitive, just be careful on the rotation of the knob. It is only one setting. It doesn't have multiple settings. Other than that, I would say we're done. I will try and take some pictures later of what it looks like in the nighttime, but if you need a lamp, this lamp is from the brand called ISLOYS. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct or not. ISLOYS. This is their information if you should want one. I got mine off of Amazon, which you can totally get yours from as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative enough. I'll also take a picture of the instructions so that way you don't have to pause the video, I suppose. But yeah, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments section down below, and have a good day. Also, I would like to thank my sister because she is the one that introduced me to this company to actually try out products. I will keep her name private because she knows who she is. But I do appreciate you very, very much, and thanks, because I needed one of these bad boys. So as I told you, I was going to show you what it looked like at nighttime, and so what I did is I actually put one of my LED lights into the lamp, into the lamp, because my plants here need a light, and so I switched it up, but the other two were just as good. These ones, oh my gosh, they are so freaking bright. The other one, this one here, let me put it on for you. Is also just as bright. It's me when I was little. But yeah, so I really like it. I highly recommend this light. It has been working amazing for me. Don't forget how important it is to have lighting and the proper lighting when you're reading at nighttime, because extra stress on your eyes could impact your vision, actually, because it's stress. You don't want to apply more pressure or more stress to your eyes than needed, or any part of your body. But I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. I will talk to you later. And oh, I didn't put a copy of the instructions, but most definitely take a screenshot if you need it. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Have a good night or day, depending on where you're at. All right, I'm out.